Hi guys, in this video we are going to study about statistics. Statistical inquiry is to collect facts and figures relating to a particular phenomenon. So we are going to deal with collection of data. Collection of data is the process of enumeration together with the proper recording of results. There are two types of data, primary data and secondary data. Primary data are those which are collected for the first time and they are original in character. Next, we are going to see about the secondary data. Secondary data are those which are already collected by someone for some purpose and are available for the present study. There are 5 methods in collecting primary data. They are direct personal observation, indirect oral interview, information through agencies, mailed questionnaires, schedules sent through enumerators. Now we are going to study about the direct personal observation. In this method, the data are collected by the investigator personally, so it is original in character. So now we are going to study about the merits and demerits in this method. The merits are they are original in character, time and reliable data can be had, the investigator can extract correct information, uniformity and homogeneity can be maintained. Demerits. It is expensive and time consuming. It is unsuitable when the area is large. Next, we are going to see about the second method, indirect oral interview method. In this method, the investigator approaches the witness or third parties who are in touch with the informant. In this method, the enumerator interviews the people who are directly or indirectly connected with the problem. The merits under this method is it is simple and convenient. It saves time, money and labor. It can be used in the investigation of a larger area. The demerits under this method. Interview with an improper man will spoil the result. The careless attitude of the informant will affect the degree of accuracy. Next, we are going to see about the third method, information through agencies. In this method, the local agents or correspondents will be appointed. They collect the information and transmit it to the office of person. The merits under this method is extensive information can be had. It is the most cheap and economical method. It is useful where information is needed regularly. The demerits under this method. The information may be biased. Degree of accuracy cannot be maintained. Data may not be original. The fourth method is mailed questionnaire method. In this method, a questionnaire consisting of a list of questions pertaining to the enquiry is prepared. This questionnaire is sent to the respondents who are expected to write the answers in the blank spaces. To get a quick and better response from the investigator, they should send a self-addressed and stamped envelope. The merits under this method, it is most economical method. It can be widely used when the area of investigation is large. It saves time, money and labor. The demerits under this method. In this method, there is no direct contact between the investigator and the respondent. This method is suitable only for literate people, the illiterate people who cannot understand and reply the questionnaire. Finally, the fifth method is schedule sent through enumerators. In this method, the number of enumerators are selected and trained and they are provided with standardized questionnaires. Each enumerator will be in charge of certain area. In this method, the investigator carries the schedule to the informant. This method is used by public organization and research institution. The merits under this method. This method is very useful in extensive inquiries. The enumerators are educated and trained, so the results are reliable and accurate. Even if the respondent are illiterate, this technique can be used. The demerits under this method. This is a very costly method as the enumerators are trained and pay for it. This method is time consuming because the enumerator goes personally to the informant. So far we have seen about the 5 methods in primary data collection. Thank you.